Are you an electrician overwhelmed by paperwork? Imagine spending 10 hours on the job, only to find yourself juggling missed calls and customer inquiries. This isn't just a time issue, it's an office manager problem. You deserve to focus on your craft, not drown in admin work. Today, we'll explore 3 free AI tools that can handle your office tasks. These tools will help with customer communication, writing estimates, and managing missed calls. Plus, I'll reveal a game-changing trick to create quotes from just a photo of an electrical panel. Let's break down the time consumers you face. It's not the hands-on work that slows you down. It's the constant need to answer calls, write estimates, manage scheduling, and follow up on payments. Hire an office manager? You'd spend thousands. Luckily, AI can lift that burden and it's free. First up is ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal estimate writer. If a homeowner texts you about upgrading their panel, you'd usually reply after hours. Instead, tell ChatGPT, write a professional estimate for a 200 amp panel upgrade. In seconds, you have a detailed quote ready to send. But here's the real beauty. Customers don't understand electrical jargon. You can ask ChatGPT to explain complex topics in simple terms, boosting your credibility. No more struggling to justify your prices. Everything is done for you, effortlessly. Next is Google Gemini. If you have Gmail, you already own it. This tool helps manage your inbox and schedule. You might feel buried in emails, but Gemini lets you ask, summarize emails that need a reply. Instantly, you get a clear list. It can extract job details from messy threads and even draft replies for you. Spend less time scrolling and more time focusing on what really matters. Finally, let's talk about Google Voice. Every electrician dreads missed calls. Google Voice gives you a free business number that captures voicemails and transcribes them into texts. So, when you're busy, you still know who called and why. No more guesswork. You can use the voice messages to draft quick replies in ChatGPT, effectively handling inquiries even after hours. Now, here's the time-saving trick. You can quote a job just from a photo. Next time you're in front of an old panel, take a picture. Ask ChatGPT, what do you see in this panel? Any red flags? It identifies potential issues like double-tap breakers or outdated systems. Just remember, it's a starting point, not a replacement for professional inspection. Let's tie this all together. A call comes in while you're busy. Google Voice captures it and sends you a text. You drop that into ChatGPT for a response, and Gemini adds the appointment to your calendar. You handle everything efficiently and without spending a dime. Now, here's what I want you to do this week. Start with one tool. Are missed calls your biggest headache? Set up Google Voice, it takes just 10 minutes. Or, if estimates eat up your evenings, utilize ChatGPT for your next 3 quotes. Focused on email chaos? Activate Google Gemini. You don't need to implement all 3 at once. Just take one small step toward reclaiming your time. Remember, the best electricians are not necessarily the most skilled. They've learned to leverage tools and stop doing 2 jobs at once. So which of these tools will you pick up first? Let me know in the comments what part of running your electrical business you struggle with the most, whether it's calls, estimates, or scheduling. Your feedback will shape my next video. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. This channel is dedicated to helping tradespeople like you streamline your business. See you next time.